Today I am reviewing the Cooper & Hunter 15. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one climate control solution for a room, apartment, hotel space, or a commercial environment, the Cooper & Hunter 15,000 BTU PTAC package terminal air conditioner heat pump is a serious option worth considering. This unit is designed for year-round comfort, combining cooling, heating, and fan functionality in a single built-in system. Let's start with the core performance, because that's where this PTAC unit stands out. With 15,000 BTUs of cooling capacity, it is built to efficiently handle medium to larger rooms, making it ideal for hotel rooms, rental units, apartments, dorms, or even small commercial spaces. The system is also equipped with a 3.5 kilowatts built-in electric heater, which means you are fully covered for winter as well. Instead of needing separate heating and cooling devices, this unit handles both seasons seamlessly. The heating and cooling performance is consistent and reliable. In cooling mode, the system quickly brings down room temperature and maintains it efficiently without constant fluctuation. In heating mode, the electric heater provides strong and steady warmth, making it suitable for colder climates or winter conditions. The fan mode also adds flexibility for air circulation when full heating or cooling isn't needed. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is its year-round versatility. With multiple operating modes, cooling, heating, and fan, you can adjust the environment exactly how you want it. This makes it especially useful for businesses like hotels or rental properties where guests need customizable comfort throughout the year. Now let's talk about refrigerant technology. This unit uses our 32 refrigerant, which is known for better energy efficiency and lower environmental impact compared to older refrigerants. That means you're getting a more modern and eco-conscious cooling solution while also benefiting from improved performance efficiency. Another important feature is smart control functionality. The system includes a wireless smart kit and remote control, allowing you to adjust temperature, fan speed, and operating modes without needing to manually interact with the unit. There is also a built-in digital control panel with an LED display, giving you multiple ways to manage the system depending on your preference. This flexibility makes day-to-day operation much more convenient. Installation-wise, it's important to understand that this is a PTAC system, which means it is designed for built-in wall installation. If you're installing in a new setup, you will need a compatible wall sleeve and exterior grille, as those are not included. This is common for PTAC systems, but it's something buyers need to plan for before installation. Power requirements are also specific. The unit runs on 230/208V single-phase power and includes a 20-amp plug with a reset breaker. This ensures stable operation, but also means you should verify your electrical setup before purchase to avoid installation issues. For commercial properties or properly wired residential spaces, this is usually not a problem, but it is an important consideration. In terms of build quality, Cooper & Hunter has designed this unit with durability in mind. PTAC systems are typically used in demanding environments like hotels and rental properties, so reliability is a key focus. The construction feels solid, and the system is built for long-term, continuous use rather than occasional operation. Noise levels are moderate, which is expected for a unit of this size and capacity. While it is not completely silent, it is designed to maintain a comfortable balance between performance and sound output, making it suitable for sleeping environments and living spaces. Another practical advantage is the centralized design. Since everything is built into one unit, you don't need separate indoor and outdoor systems like traditional HVAC setups. This simplifies installation and reduces overall system complexity, especially in multi-room buildings or retrofitted spaces. However, it's also important to be realistic about limitations. PTAC units like this are not plug-and-play portable air conditioners. They require proper installation, correct electrical setup, and additional mounting components. This is not a casual home appliance. It's a more professional-grade climate control system. So who is this unit best suited for? The Cooper & Hunter 15,000 BTU PTAC system is ideal for hotel owners, landlords, property managers, and homeowners who need a reliable built-in heating and cooling solution. It's especially useful for spaces where consistent year-round climate control is required without installing a full central HVAC system. To sum it up, this PTAC unit delivers strong performance, all-season versatility, and smart control convenience in a durable, professional-grade package. With efficient cooling, powerful heating, and modern refrigerant technology, it provides a complete climate solution for fixed installations. If you need a dependable heating and cooling system for a permanent space, this is definitely a solid and practical choice.